lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I know guys, I know we're still going through it, and you know what, I've been so sad and heartbroken. And you know what, I said to myself, if I continue to wake up every day and feel like this, I'm just going to get into depression, and I do not want to be depressed. So I decided to find something fun and exciting to do. Believe it or not, you guys, it's spring. I know it's hard to believe that it's spring, but it is spring, and a lot of places the weather is starting to change. And where I am, the weather is so lovely, it's beautiful, the sky is bright, the sun is out, and it's absolutely amazing. And that in itself makes me feel good. So I decided to come on here and do the spring tag. Now I hope that wherever you guys are, you know, I hope that you're okay and you're keeping safe, and we just have to pray that this will end very soon. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and live our lives. We cannot be prisoners, you know, to this whole thing. We just have to continue to live our lives, you guys, and try to, you know, do something each day to fill up the time. As I said in my previous video, I listed a bunch of stuff that you can do to keep you occupied and keep your mind going. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and do this spring tag, and of course I'm going to tag some of you, my friends. So yeah, let's jump into the questions. It's 12 questions, and I'm going to go ahead and start off the spring tag. So let's go. What is your favorite spring nail polish? My favorite spring nail polish is anything pink. As you can see, I am wearing pink, and I'm going to show you one especially from Shaunz Beauty. If you don't know, I have a nail polish line, so I'm going to go ahead and show you that on the screen, of course, so you can go ahead and pick it up. It's a beautiful, like, bubblegum pink, and I love any shade of pink. I love pinks, so it has to be pink, and that's what I'm wearing. So number 2 question was, what is your must-have lip color this spring? So my must-have lip color this spring has to be pink as well, because you know, pink is bright and it just screams spring, summer. So some of the lip products that I've been enjoying is this one from Carity. It's their lip lock liquid lipstick in the shade Lucky, and it's a beautiful deep pink. Then you have this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's also a kind of pinky purplish tone, and it's so tiny, you guys, it's called Madison. And of course my Fenty Beauty Pout Bomb in Gloss Bomb. Of course I love this as well. And last but not least, my NYX Butter Gloss, and this one is called Strawberry Parfait. So these are my favorite spring lip colors. Alright, so number 3, show us your favorite spring dress. So my favorite dress has to be something that's floral and has pinks and blues and yellows and all those beautiful colors, because they scream spring. Number 4, what's your favorite flower? Oh my goodness, I have several favorite flowers. So I love sunflower, I love hydrangeas, I love lilies. What else do I love? What's that other one? I love roses as well. I absolutely love anything that's bright and bold and just screams spring. Number 5, what is your favorite spring scarf or accessories? So my favorite spring accessories are, of course, my hoop. I love these for spring, summer, and I also love this necklace right here as well. This one has a lovely blue, red, and a sort of whitish color, and I love these, especially when it's coming on to the, you know, spring, summertime. These are my favorite accessories, and of course these are all from Shaunz Boutique. So yes, I do love my hoops in the spring. Actually, I love my hoops all year round, but more so when it's coming on to brighter days like in spring and summer. I love my hoops. Okay, number 6, you guys, what spring trend or trends are you most excited about this year? Makeup, fashion, or both? So we all know that spring hasn't really started off very well this year, so maybe it will be extended, hopefully. But I'm excited to see what colors are going to be out for spring, and I'm excited to see what new trend they're going to come out with for makeup, because they always have some kind of exciting trends coming out for makeup, and of course fashion, because I love both makeup and fashion. So I'm excited to see what the colors are and what styles are going to come out for both makeup and fashion for spring, even though, as I said, spring hasn't really started. So hopefully things will sort themselves out soon, and then we can start living again and then enjoying life and see what's in store. So that would be my answer. I don't know whether or not that answered the question, but as I said, spring hasn't really started, so I am really excited to see what colors and what styles will come out for spring, both for makeup and fashion. Number 7, favorite spring candle. If I had to pick, I would say anything that has vanilla or lavender. Anything that has both has my name written all over them, because I love lavender scents and I love vanilla scents. So I'd have to say vanilla or lavender. Number 8, favorite body spray or perfume for spring. Oh, my favorite, I don't really use body sprays a lot, you guys. I mostly use perfumes, and I usually buy expensive perfumes. I'm using one at the moment called YSL Libre, and oh my goodness, you guys, I love that perfume so much. I got it for Christmas as a Christmas gift, and it's so long lasting, and the scent is so absolutely amazing. And another one is, of course, Caroline Herrera Good Girl, the one in the heels. I will show you a picture of that, the one that's in the stiletto heels. I absolutely love it. It's so lovely. And yes, those are my 2 favorite. Well, I don't know if I'm going to say spring, because I've been wearing them, you know, since winter, but they're also going to be worn in spring. So I would say my Caroline Herrera Good Girl, and of course my YSL Libre perfumes. And number 9, what is spring like where you live? So I live in Antigua, so for spring I wouldn't say there is anything particular about spring here, because in Antigua it's sunny all year round. The weather is beautiful 365 days of the year. I mean, of course we get rain and we get hurricane and stuff like that, but for the most part the weather is absolutely beautiful. Right now I'm looking out, it's blue skies, it's sunny, it's absolutely amazing. So where I live in the springtime, or through the entire year, is usually hot, sunny, and beautiful. Number 10, what's your favorite thing about spring? So I only experience spring in Antigua, and for me, I can say I love when the sky is blue and there's just no rain, and it's warm and it's sunny, and you just go on the beach and you just chill out and just have a good time. These are the things I like about spring. Also, I like to see when when the flowers are starting to grow back and they're starting to bloom and they're beautiful, and they come out and the bright colors just spring up and everything just starts to bloom, and the colors are just absolutely amazing. So I would say when the weather changes, when it starts to get warmer, and I would say when the flowers starts to bloom, absolutely beautiful. There's nothing like seeing like new growth, like the flowers start to bloom and the colors start to come alive. I absolutely love that about spring, and this is why spring is also one of my favorite seasons, because I love when the flowers start to bloom and the weather starts to get absolutely amazing. Okay, so number 11, are you a spring cleaner? Sometimes I like to clear out my closet in the spring, but cleaning, I clean all the time, so it doesn't matter to me about spring cleaning. I clean all the time. For seasons I clean, so I wouldn't say I'm a spring cleaner. It's just that I like to sort of clear out my closet for spring, because I'm going to buy, you know, warmer stuff obviously for spring going on to summer. So I would say I mostly like to clear out like my makeup and my shoes and my clothes. I like to clear out my closet for spring, but house not so much, because I tend to stay on top of, you know, keeping my house clean. So in some ways I guess you can say yes, I'm a spring cleaner, because I try to get rid of, you know, clothes that I no longer need and I give it to charity or to friends. So I guess you can sort of say I'm a spring cleaner. And the last question is number 12. Any plans for spring break or an upcoming vacation? So you guys, I did have an upcoming vacation and I had to cancel it. I'm not gonna say where it was, but it was somewhere warm and nice. Not like I need another warm vacation, because where I live in the tropics, it's always warm, but I just wanted a change of scenery. So I had booked a holiday, and of course I had to cancel it because of what's going on right now, which is very, very sad, because I was looking forward to my vacation. But they've extended it to December 31st. I'm gonna have to try and get that vacation in at some point. It wasn't anything to do with spring break, it's just that I wanted, you know, to get off the island a little bit and do something different. So yes, I had an upcoming holiday or vacation, but I had to cancel it, sadly. And I think it was for the best, because Lord knows what would have happened there, because they were shutting down all the airports and they were quarantining people and all that sort of stuff. So I had to just make the conscious decision to cancel my vacation, sadly. But all is not lost, because it extended it to December 31st. So hopefully I'll get to do it in summer or maybe autumn, winter. So fingers crossed, I'll get to do my vacation at some point. Okay, my lovely, so that is the end of the spring tag. That was so much fun. So I'm going to go ahead and tag you guys. I'm going to go ahead and tag Rosa Beauty Fashion. I'm going to tag Maxine. I'm going to tag Celine Okereke. I'm going to tag Odette Young. I'm going to tag Jane. Who else do I want to tag? I want to tag Katie King, of course. I want to tag, who else do I want to tag? Pages and Polish. Who else do I want to tag? Shen Fashfab, I want to tag you as well. Who else do I want to tag? I know I'm going to get in trouble for not tagging some of you, my friends. But as I said, if I don't call your name on the screen, look in the description box, because I can't remember everything all at once. But I'm going to tag you in the description box, so make sure you go ahead and do the spring tag and keep it going, of course, so we can all just have something fun and light to do with our lives in these trying times. So that is the end of the video, guys. I do hope you found it fun. I do hope you enjoyed these questions. Go ahead and do the tag. Even if you weren't tagged, go ahead and do it, and you can of course tag me and let me know so I can come and listen to your answers. So thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to lighten things a bit, lighten the mood, just make things a little bit more happy around here, because lately, guys, things have just been so stagnant and so still, and I just wanted to break that up a little bit. So go ahead and do this tag if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Make sure that you keep safe and well, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment and let me know what you thought of this tag, of course. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. Go ahead and subscribe, yes, and turn the notifications on so you never miss another video from Shaunz World. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Go ahead and thumbs up the video as well. Follow me on all social media platforms. They are linked in the description box, of course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye-bye. And this is why spring is also one of my favorite spring is one of my favorite seasons, because